What's up, guys? You are watching this video because you want to know how to replace the headlight bulbs. So what I'm going to be doing is the driver's side, because the passenger side you could reach in there with your hand and replace it, but the driver's side is a little bit more difficult. So the view here won't be the best. Well, I'll try to make it work. I don't know how others are going to do it, but I will do it possibly the longer way, but I think it will be the good way. Just remove this. This is to drop down your spare tire in the back. Next, we're going to take off these clips. And this job shouldn't take too long. There are 8 of these Phillips head plastic screws. So there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 7 and 8 are here. And with that, we take this part off, set it to the side. Airbox is super easy, just spread that apart, move it to the side, just like so. Could kind of lift this up. This bottom piece clips in here. There's 2 of them, as you guys can see. So 1 and 2, basically lift it up and then pull it out. This will give us enough room to get this coolant reservoir disconnected. These look like 6mm, but I will let you know shortly. And then we will move this to the side and we will be able to reach the bulb right there. 8mm, there's 1 here and 1 under here. You'll have to wiggle this just a little bit, but this will give you enough opening with 1 hand to hold the tank out of the way and with the other one to reach back and pull the bulb out. So this is what the bulb looks like. Let's see. HB5 or 9007 is the part number. So we'll disconnect the bulb. But this housing goes in like this into the headlight, and then this gets put on the back right here, and then you screw it in to tighten it. And here's what the new one looks like. I mean, it's not new, it's from another car that I had, or headlight. So hopefully this one works. I don't remember if it does or doesn't, but we'll find out shortly. And the new bulb is in, everything works. So tighten everything from the back. Let's see if you guys could kind of see that. Not really, a little too tight. But start putting everything back together. Procedure is super simple. It just, you know, a few steps more than a typical car, but honestly it's not bad. I don't know, this took me 10 minutes, if that. So that's how you replace the driver's side head bulb on a Ford F150. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.